So yeah, everything's good now. So you would just click Authorize Data and you would click Authorize Output and then you can save it to your computer. And this will be like the final file that other companies can then integrate into their own chemSHERPA reports. If, like, let's say, if they have a really big product and one of your products is part of it, they would just be able to like really easily integrate your report into their full material declaration. And that's why it's really important to make sure that you get to this point of authorization because if you have a temporary save file, it wouldn't work that way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Click authorize output and it'll save it to your computer and then you're done. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and we will try to answer them as best as we can. And yeah, thank you for watching.